Hey everyone, this is Leon Lovett, a licensed massage therapist and certified medical massage therapist with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Services at TravSpa do not diagnose, treat, or replace care from a licensed medical provider. If you have a medical condition, injury, or health concern, please consult with your physician or qualified healthcare professional before starting any new bodywork or wellness service. Welcome to TravSpa. Today I want to introduce a service called Tech Neck Reset, designed specifically for desk workers and anyone who spends long hours on computers, phones, or screens. Modern work habits place constant strain on the neck, shoulders, and upper back. Over time, this can lead to stiffness, tension headaches, jaw clenching, and a feeling of compression through the upper body. Tech Neck Reset focuses on relieving those patterns through targeted therapeutic massage, myofascial release, assisted stretching, and heat therapy. The session is designed to help restore mobility, reduce tension, and support better posture without aggressive techniques. Light lymphatic work may be used to reduce heaviness in the neck and shoulders, while posture-focused techniques help the body feel more upright and open. Clients also receive gentle education on breathing and posture awareness to help maintain results between sessions. This service is ideal for professionals, remote workers, students, and anyone experiencing upper body discomfort related to screen use. If your workday is leaving you tense or compressed, TravSpa Tech Neck Reset offers a focused, modern solution to help you feel better and move easier. If desk work or screen time is affecting your comfort and posture, TravSpa Tech Neck Reset is available now. Visit TravSpa.com to schedule your session or learn more.